Ready? BOLAWRAP, stand by.
The officers, rather than having to resort to going hands-on or having to resort to greater levels of force, have a standoff ability where they can deploy this wrap, and it will, much like a boomerang, will wrap around the individual's extremities and prevent the individual from moving. And cause the person to, if they are to try to move and move towards the officer or present a risk to someone else, with their legs tied together, they'll fall to the ground. And that'll allow the officers, again, to not to have to resort to such things as bean bags, 40 millimeters, or in the most perilous of circumstances, actual deadly force itself. The deployment of this, we believe, in our testing to date, offers very little risk of any type of injury to the individual in which it's deployed on.
You know, there's been a gap in policing for a long time when it comes to verbal commands and pain compliance tools. And agencies across the United States are looking for a different way of dealing with those people in crisis, those people in a mental health crisis. And so this product came to market about 2 years ago, bringing it to police agencies across the United States as a different way of dealing with people in crisis, not hurting them, but rather restraining them, restricting their mobility and giving officers another opportunity to do something else other than using a pain compliance tool.
Probably one of the more obvious advantages is that it at least delays the need for an officer to actually touch the individual in question, to go hands-on. Anytime there's that hands-on encounter, there's a potential for that to become potentially violent.
Drop the knife now! Good, copy. Drop it! Drop the knife! Stop! Go down! Drop the knife!
It's not infallible, but the truth of the matter is there's not a single piece of police technology and or tool that is on an officer's duty belt right now that isn't infallible.